Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Our today's topic is components of job analysis. Job analysis there are two components of job analysis. The first is job description and second is job specification. Job description is explained about the job, about the qualities of job, while job specification explain about the qualities of job holder. So, meaning of job description. Job description is an organized factual statement of the duties and responsibilities of a specific job. It should tell what is to be done, how is done and why. Job description is a broad, general and written statement of specific job based on findings of jobs analysis. It generally includes duties, purpose, responsibilities, scope and working condition of a job along with the job's title and the name of designation of the person to whom the employee reports. Job description usually forms the basis of job specification. So, job description is a written statement of what the job holder does, how it is done, under what condition is done and why it is done. The details given in job description. In job description, as we know that job description is a written statement, so in job description following details are given. The first is job identification. In this it is explained the job title, job code number, characteristics of the job. It explains the job location or physical setting, supervision level required and hazard associated, etc. Hazard means any risk, is there any risk in this job or not. Next is job duties. Job duties, a detailed list of duties along with the probably frequency of occurrence of each duty. Next, equipment and materials used in the job. Next, how a job is done. It focuses lies mainly on the nature of operation associated with the job. Next, job relationship. Job relationship includes opportunities for advancement, working condition, essential cooperation, etc. So, finally, the content of job descriptions are job title, job summary, job activities, working condition and environment of the work. Now, purpose of job description. The main purpose of the job description is to collect job related data in order to advertise for a particular job. It helps in attracting, targeting, recruiting and selecting the right candidate for the right job. Next, it is done to determine what needs to be delivered in a particular job. It clarifies what employees are supposed to do if selected for that particular job opening. Next, it gives recruiting staff a clear view what kind of candidate is required by a particular department or division to perform a specific task or job. Next, it also clarifies who will report to whom. Now, the second component of job analysis is job specification. What is job specification? Job specification is a written statement of educational qualification, specific qualities, level of experience, physical, emotional, technical and communication skills required to perform a job, responsibilities involved in a job and other unusual sensory demands. It also includes general health, mental health, intelligence, aptitude, memory, judgment, leadership skill, emotional ability, adaptability, flexibility, values and ethics, manners and creativity, etc. Definition of job specification. Job specification is a statement of minimum acceptable human qualities necessary to perform a job properly. So finally we can say that job specification summarize the human characteristics needed for satisfactory job completion. It tries to describe the key qualifications someone needs to perform the job successfully. Job specification covers educational and professional qualities, skills, practical experiences, physical fitness, special qualities required for performing a job, intelligence, judgment, and initiative required for performing the job. Now, purpose of job specification. The first purpose of job specification is described on the basis of job description. Job specification helps candidate analyze whether are eligible to apply for a particular job vacancy or not. Next, it helps recruiting team of an organization understand what level of qualifications, qualities and sets of characteristics should be present in the candidate to make him or her eligible for the job opening. Next, job specification gives detailed information about any job including job responsibilities, desired technical and physical skills, conversational ability and much more. It helps in selecting the most appropriate candidate for a particular job. So all these are purpose of job specification. Now we will discuss job design in next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.